Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Robin here. Welcome to another investing case study video on the channel. This is for my Reit investing case study, which is my 100% real estate portfolio that I've been building on this channel ever since I first started it about 2 or 3 months ago. I decided to build a REIT-based portfolio 100% from scratch on Wealthsimple Trade here, and I basically decided to buy into Canadian REITs and do a basic case study to see how much income we could make buying just 100% real stocks, real estate based stocks, and just kind of document my journey along the way, as opposed to like traditional investing stuff like that. So I thought this was a pretty cool case study. This is going to be the update for this week I'm going to do, and basically during my updates I kind of I talk about the portfolio, we go over the numbers, I show you guys what I'm buying for the week, and then afterwards, I show you guys my dividends and stuff like that. Now keep in mind, I'm going to probably be doing these updates, I might do them every other week kind of thing instead of doing them on a weekly basis. I haven't decided yet, it depends. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, like if you guys want to keep seeing these updates every single week. Otherwise I might do them like every second week just so I can free up some more time to do some other based content, but it's up to you guys. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments and we'll go from there. But anyways, this is our portfolio here. One thing I want to keep in mind is that Canadian markets are going to be closed Monday because Monday is a holiday here in Canada. It's Victoria Day. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to be buying, and then probably Tuesday when the markets kind of go free, because it's Saturday right now, that's when we're going to be buying our ETFs or whatever REITs we end up buying. So this is our portfolio here. We're sitting at about $1,000.90 Canadian. If we go over our course of our all-time sitting, we are down $119, negative 12% all time. Real estate has been kind of following the markets, all the other markets, especially in Canada and whatnot. It's going up and down kind of thing, following the markets. I think it went down a little bit along with everything else for the past couple days, but overall it's doing pretty good. I'm pretty comfortable with everything. You can see here I have $100 sitting in my account. We're just waiting for probably Tuesday when that transfer goes through to invest, and I'm probably going to be buying. I'm probably just going to do the same thing I did last week, where I just top up all the different REITs and ETFs we have here, because I think that's what I'm going to do. They're all pretty cheap right now. You can see they all are kind of sitting down kind of thing. They're always super cheap, and this is the reason why I like investing in Canadian REITs, because you can get them at a nice cheap price and they have a pretty good dividend yield. So I'm just going to probably slap all that money, buy a couple shares of each one kind of thing. And I think last week we actually bought the H&R REIT, which is a super cheap right now at $8 Canadian. This is one we don't know really what's going to happen, but I think overall most of these REITs and these ETF based REITs are going to do pretty well in the long run, I think, right? This is RioCan, so we have a bunch of shares of RioCan. We have First Asset Canadian REIT ETF, then we have VRE, which is a Vanguard-based Canadian REIT, and then we have XRE, which is another good REIT, and then we have ZRE at the end here, which is a Bank of Montreal based REIT. So lots of diversification in this portfolio. Even though it's all Canadian based real estate, that's okay, because the real estate market has done really well in Canada. And I actually wanted to get into the idea of buying a rental property and renting it out, but I didn't want to invest all the money into it. Like to go to the bank and take out all the money and do all that crap and be worried about, because I've never bought a house before or anything like that. So what I decided to do was put the money into these REITs instead, and have like a more simpler, easier way to do it, and I can still earn money from real estate and kind of document this case study instead of going through all the uncertainty about buying a house, fixing it up, renting it out, and dealing with all that stuff. So I thought this was a pretty cool case study, and this is why I'm doing this, and this is why I'm going to continue to invest into real estate regardless, because I do think real estate is going to do well, and the alternative to this would be buying my own rental property, which I'm probably not going to do, at least not anytime soon. Maybe in the future when I have more income I might do that, but we'll just have to wait and see. It's probably not something I'm going to do anytime soon. But anyways, let's look at the earnings for this portfolio. I'll update you guys on the dividends. I don't think we have any dividends coming in for this week, but I will go over the past ones just so you guys can see them and have an idea. And keep in mind, if you guys did miss the earlier videos, I will once again, like I always do, put a link to the entire description, link to the entire playlist in the description of the video, where you guys can watch all the previous updates I've done on this portfolio since I built it from day one. So click that link if you guys want to see when I completely started this from scratch and we got to where we are today. So here's the dividends we've earned. As you guys can see, we started this in March, about early March we started this portfolio, and our dividends have been slowly adding up, and we should start to get some pretty soon here. it looks like towards the end of the month we'll probably start getting some dividends for this portfolio. So once again, I just want to say I'm going to be buying for this week. I'm just going to be kind of topping up my portfolio, buying a bunch of the ETFs and REITs we already have. But let's take a quick peek at our spreadsheet here, and let's see how the portfolio has done up to date in terms of earnings. Alright guys, so here's the updates on the portfolio. I like to keep track of everything in terms of our monthly income, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to create a monthly income that's based off of real estate. You can see here in our first month we made $1.29, our second month we made $2.28, and then our third month so far we made $2.32. So we still have a bunch more dividends that will come up towards the end of the month, so that will probably maybe be at like $4 or $5, and this is in total how much we've made so far. So $6 on our third month, I should say $6 in total after our third. It would be a little bit more than that after our third month, but you can see that we're starting to get that real estate income, and it's a lot easier to do it this way than to buy a rental property, and it's a lot more safer, especially nowadays, right? I mean, we'll have to wait and see what happens with real estate in terms of investing, but I think it's a lot more better to kind of be in the position where I am now than somebody who has a rental property where things are kind of not too sure right now. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later.